Very good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Revisions. So we are discussing MCQ questions, and now it is the time to discuss trigonometry MCQ questions. One thing I wanted to tell, my dear children. So I have been discussing around 10 to 15 questions. Okay. I am discussing around 10 to 15 questions. These questions may come or may not be coming. Okay, but you have to work on the lines of I am teaching. So now today let us start immediately trigonometry MCQ questions. Okay. So now let me open my file. MCQ trigonometry. So very important thing in trigonometry. I'll just give you small understanding about the trigonometry, like what you have to learn. So the first one is basic definitions of trigonometric ratios. That means sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta, tan theta, all these definitions, and related problems. What are the related problems? Like theta. Okay. So this is theta, this is 4 and this is 3, and how much is this? Okay, now sin theta is how much? Like this is the basic basic problems based on basic ratios. Like the second one is trigonometric angles. That means specific angles. And this is trigonometric identities. Okay, and then other one is applications. So frankly speaking, more concepts are there in trigonometry, more things to remember in trigonometry. That means you have to remember all the 6 ratios, and you have to remember all the 5 angles of 6 ratios, like mine sin 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosecant 0, all these things you have to remember. And trigonometric ideas, you should know the trigonometric identities and conversions. So application, these so many concepts are there. Those who are weak in maths, those who are doing very less in maths, I advise them not to do this chapter in the beginning. They can do it later. Okay, those who are very much interested, happy to work, they can do this, right? Actually, trigonometry is one of the important topic for many children. They love to do trigonometry because it is a new thing for everybody. So because there are so many concepts, so we don't know in which area which MCQ questions will come in the examination. So as far as possible, I tried to give some questions. So there is no guarantee that these questions will come, but in my next thing, I am going to do the MCQs of PYQ, the previous board examination questions. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, tan theta is equal to question mark. This is a basic question. How? Draw the triangle theta. Okay, so cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, 4 by 5, 25 minus 16, 9, this is 3. You have to find out opposite side. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the answer. So this is the basic ratios, like basic problems of the ratios. Whenever a ratio is given and it is asked to find other ratio, so actually we were doing very big procedure. Okay, Pythagoras theorem applying, after that tan theta, but because it is MCQ, you can do orally. Okay, once again, you draw a right triangle, 4 by 5, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, so adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5, so therefore you can write like this also, adjacent is 4 without drawing, and hypotenuse is 5, so therefore opposite is equal to 9, 9 means 3. So then tan theta is equal to O by A, that means 3 by 4. Without drawing the triangle also you can have it. Okay, very basic question. Next question is 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. Right, this is depending on the identities. You take out 9 common. Okay, secant square A minus tan square A. So secant square A minus tan square A is 1. 9 into 1 is 9. So now you should remember this identity. So 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. This is the identity. So now not only this identity related, you send tan square to other side. 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta also. Okay. So now all these identities you should know. That means don't think that only few things will come. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. These three related to the one identity, first identity only. So same way 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This is belongs to 1. So all these, so many things you have to remember, and on the spot you have to recollect those things. So then third identity, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So then how much? Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cos square theta. All these things are ratios, like trigonometric ratios. In the other thing, you should know this also. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So whenever a cosecant multiplied by sine, you can always have 1. Now secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So whenever you have secant theta into cos theta, which is equal to 1. So same way tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So then tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are the basic things you have to remember. Whenever these questions comes in this, you have to apply. So now let us go to another question. So now 2 tan A is equal to 3. Very big, it is looking very big, but it is easily, you can easily solve. So then how? Let us start from here. 2 tan A is equal to 3. Tan A is equal to 3 by 2. You can draw the triangle, find the sin A and cos A. That is one way. Another way I will tell you. Tan A is sin A by cos A. is equal to 3 by 2. You can write sin A is equal to 3, cos A is equal to 2, put it in that. Because it is MCQ, not a big question. So then how much sin A is equal to 3? 4 into 3, 12, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 3, 12, minus 6. So 18 by 6, which is equal to 3. Okay, 3 is the answer. This question may come in the 4 marks question, but this question came as a 1 mark question. So because this you can do it like this, because when we are applying a right angle triangle, basic thing triangle, you can apply like this also. Okay, so not only remembering the formulas, you should have some ideas also, right? That's why I advise many students keep this trigonometry pending, right? So let us do one more time MCQs on trigonometry, exclusively board examination questions. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. What is cos A? Cot A. You can use the triangle, say opposite side is equal to 3, hypotenuse is equal to 5 from this, because sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. So now adjacent side is equal to 25 minus 9, 16, 16 root 4. So then cot A is equal to adjacent side by O, so 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. So these questions definitely maybe, because your question paper is depending based on to do all the people, right? Now all saying hello. So some easy questions. This is considered as an easy question of the trigonometry. So next let us go to the next question. Secant 30 by cosecant 60. This is related to angles. You have to remember the angles. There is no other go, right? Secant 30. If you remember at least sine and cos, then it's okay. Sine and cos. Say sine cos 30. Okay, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. That means if you learn sine cos, you can take the reciprocals of the other. So this is 2 by root 3 by cosecant 60. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, cosecant 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. So here also 2 by root 3. Both are same. 1 is the answer. Okay, so remembering all the angles, that means all the angles are important. I will tell you an easy way. Whenever you take the paper, answer sheet, somewhere you choose one sheet and make the trigonometric table. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. You make a table. You can make the table, no need to remember anything. Okay, logically you can remember. So sine is how much? You write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 square root, and you will be getting answer. 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, cancelled. So 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So these are the sine values. Cos values you write in the reverse order, either select 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So tan, you divide these two, sine divided by cos. 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by root 3, both cancel 1, okay, root 3, infinity. Like this you can make a table in the examination somewhere. Definitely 2-3 questions will be there based on these angles, 2 or 3 questions. So you can see the table and write the values, the questions like this, because in MCQs at least one question will be there. In subjective questions also 1 or 2 questions will be there. Applications also 1 question will be there. So at least 3 questions will come based on the angles. So you learn how to make the table, and when you take the paper, you write the this table somewhere in the corner, okay, so that it will be a ready reckoner to do the problems like this, okay. So let me take, is there anything? So next this one. This is also one of the higher order thinking question. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to 4. A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 3. Find a square plus b square. It is a subjective question as well. Okay, subjective question. Now it came as a this one. So 7, 25, 22. Let us do this question so that both ways it will be useful. So a cos theta, we want a square plus b square. So a square means a cos theta plus b sin theta. Right? Whole square. Oh, sorry. So a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to 4, right? A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 3. Okay. Now 2 equations. Let us, because 2 equations are there, you can solve a and b. Square on both sides. A square cos square theta, b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta is equal to 16. You square that and write here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to 9. If you add it, these two will get cancelled. So now in this a square you can take common, so sin square plus cos square. In this you can take b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25. So this is 1 and this is 1. So a square plus b square is equal to 25. So 25 is the answer. So this question is also a subjective question as well as, so now these questions you can remember directly, right? So a square plus b square is equal to this 25, right? 4 square plus 5 square. So now let us go to another question. Another question. Cos square 30, cos square 30 degrees, cos square 45 degrees plus 4 secant square 60 and 1 by 2 cos square 90. So definitely you have to put the values and to do this question, right? A very long question. इतना long questions नहीं आ सकता है because very big, right? So very big. That is why. But even it came, you have to do. So table will definitely help you. Table will help you, and you can do it by substituting the values. Cheppu cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos 45. 1 by root 2 whole square, 4 into secant 30. Secant 30 means secant 60. Cos 60 is half, This is 2 square plus 1 by cos 90, 0, cos 90 0 kada, 2 tan 60 root 3 whole square. So now 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, 4 into 2 square 16, this will become 0, root 3 square 3, 3 2 is 6. Okay, now 3 by 8, 16 minus 6, 10. So 3 plus 80 by 8, so 83 by 8. 83 by 8. Okay, so 100% you have to learn the angles values. So either you memorize by heart, you have 2 months time, it will take half an hour, sit for half an hour, write all the formulas by heart. Each formula, each concept, you just read it for 25 times, 30 times, 50 times, once for all, so that you will get it, right? Because abhi time hai. If it is before examinations, chhod sakte hai. Now you are having time, so you take 1 hour time, target Kargil war, target trigonometry, write all the formulas by heart. By heart, don't do any questions, don't do any question, subjective question, MCQ question, leave everything. By heart all the formulas. Formulas means right from the beginning. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Like that you learn all the formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sin is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, cosecant is equal to 1 by sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. All these values you just learn, memorize, and get ready for the examinations. Definitely that will help you in getting around 8 marks, 7 to 8 marks, right? So now let us go to another question. ఒకసారి ఆగు, అయిపోతుంది, ఒకసారి స్టాప్ చేసేస్తాను నేను. So this is one more question. This is also a subjective question. This is also a subjective question. So you have to use the identity. Alaga paina kinda you have to multiply. So then what you will get? Numerator denominator you have to multiply with 1 minus sin theta. So this is 1 minus sin theta whole square. I am writing theta. This is 1 minus of sin square theta. So under root 1 minus sin theta. This is cos square theta, cos theta. So 1 by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. So this is secant A minus tan A. This is the answer. So secant A minus tan A. Okay. So now what I will do, I will stop my MCQs at this juncture. Now we'll sing hello. So let me open now I'll sing good morning. So definitely there will be so many formulas in this. I suggest you to first revise the formulas and then we will do it trigonometry questions one more time, right? So because in this 1 hour it is not sufficient, there are so many questions, so many areas we have to touch. So now tomorrow being Sunday, it is a holiday. If somebody is interested, I can take your class at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, Zoom class. So those who want to join Zoom class, you are always ready. Okay. So you just message me so that I will take you. Otherwise, you join in my WhatsApp group. In the description, my WhatsApp group link is there. You click that so that a request will come to me. I will approve it, and then I will take a Zoom class tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Right, 10 o'clock. Whoever is interested, you can join. I am going to put this my Zoom class in my group. Right. So whoever is interested, you can always join. See you. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. No weekends for 10th class students, board exam students. Even if you want to enjoy, your parents do not allow you to enjoy. R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, both are okay. R.D. Sharma is fine, R.S. Agarwal is also fine. There are some more books, because these books will help you in doing the things faster. Okay, so that fastness aane ke liye, to get fastness and accuracy, definitely you have to depend on either R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal or textbook of mathematics from Ratnasagar. So I always use that book, a textbook of maths from Ratnasagar publications. Okay, Monica something is there. So very nice problems are there. Any book, it doesn't matter. But first finish off your NCERT publication and then come to R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma. Alright. So no weekend for 10th class students. Tomorrow 10 o'clock, those who are interested, you can always come. Okay. Tomorrow interactive session through Zoom. Okay. Message with details to 7588343972. So I have given my number in the comment box. So tomorrow 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. on Sunday. So whoever is interested, you can send me your request for allowing you into Zoom class, so that tomorrow we will have an interactive session. Okay. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.